Hi, this is Sally Wood for Be Inspired, and a short while ago I was asked by one of my viewers if I would do a quick video on the use of the foot pedal. And this was actually a lot harder than I thought. Basically, the foot pedal makes an electrical circuit, so when you push it down, and that's plugged into the machine. Okay, this one here is the electrical input, and it goes sometimes above or below depending on the make of the machine. And this is the foot pedal one, so I'm just going to slot that in. And here is the on-off button. The placement of the foot pedal should be right in front of you, and I've turned the machine on, and as I push down it completes the electrical circuit, and you'll be able to hear the machine working. Depending on how fast you want the machine to go, as I push it down, it will go faster and faster, or slower and slower. Now, because I'm working at home, I tend to wear socks, and if I was working in a workshop I would wear closed-toed shoes for safety reasons. Hi, I decided on this video to actually add the industrial sewing machine and how to use the foot on there. And there are a few things that I need to talk about, but it's really quite easy. To work the foot pedal, first of all you need to put your left foot on, which always acts as a brake. This one is the one that counterbalances. And then you put your right foot towards the front to push. So your right foot is like the accelerator and the back foot is like the brake. This controls the speed of your sewing machine. Now, if you were to use a treadle machine, which is very similar concept, you would just constantly be going backwards and forwards like this. I will not turn the machine on because it hasn't been used in some time and I don't want to break it. So that is how you use an industrial. Nothing to it. You need to practice, as they can run away with you. And this is the knee lever, and when I push it across, the foot on the machine goes up and down like that. So when I use the lever, the foot comes up and down like this. An industrial machine is very similar to a normal domestic. You thread it up the same way. The thread comes across through here, rounds this in an S shape, and then up to the arm that goes up and down and then on through. By putting a piece of foam here, it acts like one of these dials. Because these machines run quite fast, this sometimes falls out of here, but if you use a piece of foam, it just holds it from flopping around. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you found this short video on a domestic machine and an industrial machine informative, and I hope that I've managed to clear up any queries that you might have. As I said, this was a really hard film to put together because I use these machines and I don't think about how I use them. It's just second nature to me. I've had a machine since I was a very young girl. I'd like to say thank you to Gordon's Upholstery and Refinishing here in Spring, Texas, for allowing me to have access to one of their industrial sewing machines so that I could put some information about that on this film. Please put in your requests. It makes me use my brain a little bit on the how-tos. So, would you please give me some thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to hear more from me. See you later. Take care. Ciao.